Today we will see how groundnut oil is made. The process begins with the groundnuts. First, the moisture content of the groundnuts is checked. The groundnuts are put into the hopper for the cleaning process. Here, the groundnuts are being cleaned. After that, oil is extracted from the groundnuts by machine. The oil is stored in tanks. Then this oil is filtered twice. At the same time, another byproduct of the groundnuts is extracted from the machine. This byproduct is sent for animal feed. The groundnut oil is filled into plastic jars. Then they are sealed. Now it is packaged into boxes. But groundnut oil is also packaged in tin boxes. These are sealed with the help of a machine and they are packed. Here, the groundnut oil is also filled into pouches. Now it is weighed and packed. Here we see the groundnuts filling the pouches. These are great for a quick snack. Finally, the pouches are sealed with the help of a machine.